To cancel your HostGator hosting package, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Log into your HostGator account. Go to the HostGator website and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. Access the Billing section. Once logged in, navigate to the Billing tab or the Account section in the dashboard where you can manage your subscriptions. Locate your hosting package. Find the hosting package you wish to cancel. This will typically be listed under your current services or account details. Initiate cancellation. Click on the hosting package and look for an option that says Cancel, Remove or Disable. Follow the prompts provided to initiate the cancellation process. Confirm cancellation. You may be asked to confirm your cancellation. Review any terms and click Confirm to finalize the cancellation. Check for confirmation email. After cancellation, check your email for a confirmation message from HostGator. This confirms that your hosting package has been successfully canceled.